M365 Copilot is an AI tool which integrates within the Microsoft suite. Here are some ways to integrate it within your business. M365 Copilot and Microsoft Teams is a great way to get started. Copilot can recap your meetings, identify action items, highlight agendas for follow-up meetings, answer questions from the meetings, and even screen grab what was shown in the meetings and produce it in a summary document. Copilot can help you in Word by producing business proposals, as well as create documents from very few prompts. It can also help you summarize very complex documents or rewrite paragraphs that you're struggling with context. In Excel, it can help you produce very complicated formulas using natural language. You can create new sheets and pivot tables using natural language. With PowerPoint, Copilot can help you produce a slide deck. You can upload a file or give it a few basic prompts and it will produce a slide deck of your choice.